Approaching Roaring Knob.
Do you think that?
Wow, I think they actually paved it. Or they did something to it. They did. They filled in the potholes. It's a new season. Not as many potholes. Well, here comes one. Not pothole, but bump and dirt. This is the little restaurant, the Naughty Pine on the right. You've never eaten there, but I don't know if it's any good or not. Well, this is a pleasant surprise. We're not bouncing quite as much as usual. There's not quite as much dirt as usual either. You do have to go kind of slow through here because you never know what you're going to hit, but it's still pretty good so far. Now we're hitting, no, maybe we're not. This was a better part of the road.
And oftentimes you'll see horses to your right. But they're not out right now. Sadly. At least not that we can see.
No.
Oh, there they are. See, there's some horses. Okay, and here
General
is where you're going to want to go straight for general admission, and right